Hello guys, how are you? Hope so everyone is quite good. Today I'll start a basic of C++ programs. Today I'll brief you about output of C++ program from the very start. It's a program for beginners which are very unknown for C++. So first of all, I'll include the header file. Here you see that you need compile include IO string. Basically, we include the header file in the C++ program. It's a part of syntax of any C++ program. So I include IOStream means we include IOStream means input output streams in a header file. Means we give any input in C++ program and we will get output in our C++ program. So that's why we add IOStream in our library, header file library. Basically it's a header file library in these small braces. So after that, in the second step we use standard condition. So we write here using namespace std means we use standard condition. That's why we write here using namespace std. Basically guys, we use this in third step in main. Basically, we write everything output input in our main function. It's basically, here you can see that it's a syntax of basic. Basically it's a very basic of C++ program for any beginner. So very first I told you this is the main function. Basically this is the main function with this part of and these braces are the part of syntax. All these things are compulsory to write here in any C++ program. Okay. So now if we wanna get output, so first of all we write here cout. This is also guys compulsory for any C++ program. You write must both the cout and these small braces, these small commas. Okay. So the thing which you want to get as output you write in the inside this comma. So for example we write here a duck. Okay. For example d. Okay guys, we write here a duck and we must remember that another point, you always put a semicolon at the end of that cout statement. Okay, otherwise it will give you error. And after that we end this C++ program with return 0. Basically return 0 shows to compiler that a program run in complete way. Okay, means then compiler understood and it compiled that given program. So now if we can't give a 0, then it will show us an error. You see it will show us an error. So now in order to correct this one, we write here 0. So now we compile this program. You can see here we got a output. Basically this is the output of our given C++ program. You can see that we write here a duck inside these commas and we got as a output. You can see that. Hope so guys you can understood, and remaining errors I also remove your query regarding to these errors. If we can't put this comma at the end of your statement, then it also shows an error. I already told you that it's a compulsory. You can't put that semicolon here. If you put here semicolon and also compile, because after that above statement cout, it already it means after that step cout statement you write a comma anywhere but not before that next statement. You see that here if we put the commas it also correct, but most probably if we can't put the semicolon anywhere after the next statement, then it will show us a error. You can see here, you know, there is a error, guys. So that's a compulsory and that's a part. If we put this semicolon in the very start of the statement, then that also shows us an error. You can see here, um, guys, I'm really sorry. It's a compiler mistake, but